Let's see how we can declare array. So array in TypeScript are also similar to that of JavaScript and in any other programming language like C#. So let's see how we can define array over here. Let student of type string, I'm defining a student array of type string. So this is the way how I will do that. And here we can put in any name. Let's say ABC XYZ. So these are the two students which I want to initialize the array with. So I have a student array which is of type string and it contains name of two students. So there is another way using which you can define array, declare array in TypeScript, that is student and colon of, and within the angle brackets you can give the type. So here it is string, so I'll give type as string, and again I can enter the data over here. So this is also perfectly fine. Here it is showing me some compilation or warning because the name are the same. So let's do it, student1. So this is how we can declare arrays in TypeScript. So both the syntax, both the ways are totally fine. You can choose whatever way you feel comfortable with. So if I want to declare a student ID, array of containing student IDs, so how I would do that? Let student ID of type number, because IDs are like holding the integer data, and then I can go ahead and define the IDs 101, 102. Okay, so this is number is not assignable, it's an array, so angle brackets. So this is the way how we declare arrays in TypeScript.